how to get her thinking about you non-stop. Use this at your own risk. So, disclaimer before we jump in, this can be annoying. Having a woman thinking about you this much with the strategies and the tactics and what I'm going to talk to you about in this video can be annoying on the receiving end if you're a man and the woman is thinking about you non-stop. So guys watching this right now, please use this at your own risk. Her messaging you every day, trying to see if you're free, trying to see if you can go here, there. She'll want to see if she can come around your house or you can go over to her house. This can be annoying. It all comes down to being unpredictable with everything you're doing. Okay? And so let's say you message this girl every day. You can't stop talking to her. You can't stop messaging her. You have to be talking to her. That's changing now. That's changing now. What you're going to do is some days you're going to talk to her on your phone. You're going to text her. And she may send a message over, but you may not respond for another 5 hours. Now, don't be sitting on your PlayStation or your Xbox or your PC waiting for those 5 hours to go by. Okay? You need to be doing something that's going to impact your life. You need to be on your purpose. That's what it is, your purpose. Do something that's going to help you in the long run. Maybe get a workout in. Go for a walk afterwards. Get on your purpose. Start that business. You don't need to be texting this girl every minute of the hour. And then some days you may change it up. Some days you may text her, every 20-30 minutes or so. And then the next day you just completely blank her. You don't message, you don't respond to her texts. Don't read them, okay? Do that. And doing this is going to start the gears in her head go. They're going to start turning. She's going to start wondering, damn, does this guy like me? Is he losing interest? Because women go by emotion. Women use emotion to actually feel things. Okay? This is how they fall in love. Because one minute you're saying you love her, that you're doing this and you can't wait to see her. Next minute you just don't give a shit. So being unpredictable like that is going to help you tenfold. And you can do this not on your phone, but even in person. Let's say you meet up and you see her in this nice, gorgeous dress, but the dress colour looks just shocking. It looks horrible. Maybe it's like a bright orange or something. Maybe you're not into that colour. Maybe she's got her hair down a certain way. You don't like that. You're not going to compliment her out of the fact that you just want to be polite. You're going to tell her that I don't like the way you look. I don't like that dress. I don't like your hair. And what this is going to start doing, like I said, it's going to start turning the gears in her head. She's going to start thinking, damn, does this guy like me? Why is he saying these things? He always compliments me. And so you need to be, trying to be unpredictable here and there, guys. Because if you don't, you're going to lose this woman. She's going to start noticing that you're doing the same thing every time. And there's no fun. Because what's that song goes? Girls just want to have fun. That's fun to them. Being torn down like that is fun to them. It keeps you in the mystery. It keeps them in the loop. And this is what keeps them in the long run. Okay? So you need to start being unpredictable to get her to think about you non-stop. It is just a fact of life, guys. If you aren't being unpredictable, you're going to lose. Okay? Like I said at the start, once you start doing this, you depending on the type of woman that she is, if she's crazy and she has that so much insecurities that she needs to be around you all the time, this could actually go wrong for you. Okay, so I tell you, use this with caution. Okay, and just be aware that this can come with consequences. Okay, this woman could be a psycho. Don't be making a plan saying I'm going to text her on this day at this time at this specific area. I'm going to see her at this specific area on this day. Don't be planning this stuff out in the notebook. Be natural. You naturally have to do this because, believe it or not, the women ain't stupid. The women ain't stupid, and she'll catch you out. She'll know what your game is. Okay, so you need to be on point with this. You need to be natural, like it's second nature, like you just don't care. And it will take some getting used to, but it will soon become a part of your resume. And you'll soon start realizing that you're doing this without even realizing you're doing it. And this is what creates women to think about you. So make sure you go and subscribe. Check out my previous video, how you can get her back after being too clingy. Have you been too clingy with a woman? Make sure you check out my previous video. That's going to help you get her back after being clingy. I'll see you in the next one.